Obsidian magma rift typography effect. Create a powerful obsidian magma rift effect in PLAB with a dark, premium, cinematic appearance. Begin with a deep black background featuring subtle smoky textures and fine volcanic particles. Is a bold, Java typography with a rauwe obsidian surface, sharp edges, glossy reflections, and realistic depth. Add glowing orange, red, and yellow magma cracks running trouge te letters as if molten energy is breaking trouge te stone. Enhance the effect with a strong inner glow, soft outer illumination, realistic shadows, and small sparks around the date. Add a dramatic red-orange light reflection beneath the typography and stutter molten fragments for extra intensity. Finish with the atmospheric smooth